guys, and welcome back. And today we're gonna be talking about the severe weather that will happen today. Not severe. We're talking about ice storms, winter storms, a lot of winter stuff. So we have like over 50 warnings of winter warnings. It's takes us all the way across New York. Wait, actually, New Mexico and Colorado, parts of Colorado, I think. Yes, parts of Colorado going through all the way New York. The National Weather Service issued a mesoscale discussion 0034 concerning concerning is winter mix precipitation in expecting 36 minutes, and I think all this is snow going. Right now we have storms going through DFW. So if we go to like radar, this is all storms. I don't think this is snow still. But yes, and it's probably snowing over here already. Yeah, it's snowing. So yes, this is today, Friday. It's right now 5:24, and today is where the winter storm starts to grow. And right now, it is not the big that when it shows on radar. If we go to NWS, yes, it does stretch is a little part of Colorado, but New Mexico all the way to New York, I think. This is all storm. There's gonna be snow in DFW, so maybe 1 to 3 inches, or just 1 inch. But there's gonna be ice accumulations. Sherman, Granham near 0.1 to 0.25 inches of icy, and 0.25 to 0.5 near Sesco of icy. Near DFW Waco, Palestine 0.5 inches to 0.75 inches of icy, and Kitten probably near 0.25 and 0.5 inches. No. Time for the impacts. So Gainesville, Sherman, Denison, 8 p.m. Will start freezing rain to 4 a.m. 8 a.m. will sleet. 8 a.m. will be and Saturday 8 a.m. will be sleet to 8 p.m. and then 12 and Sunday 12 a.m. sleet and snow to 4 a.m. So I will not throw snowballs to your brothers or sisters because it can have ice in it. So yeah, DFW Metroplex will start at 12 a.m. Freezing rain, sleet 12 a.m. to 4 a.m., 8 a.m., and sleet 12 p.m. to 4 a.m. Waco Killing Temple it will start at 8 a.m. to 4 a.m. for freezing rain. 8 p.m. freezing rain. Sleet will stop at 4 a.m. Canton Athens 4 a.m. for freezing rain to 8 a.m. and then 12 p.m. freezing rain again. Freezing rain sleet to 4 a.m. Palestine Heron Cameron 12 p.m. for freezing rain sleet to 4 a.m. There will going to be life threatening cold for today for this weekend. This is going to be the 14th. Granham Brownie be in the 8s and the 9s. Cisco will be at the 9s. So Comanche will be at 11. Waco will be at 18s. And Killen will be at 17s. Herney is going to be the Sonys. Palestine in the 19s. Greenville in the 14s. Paris in the 14s. Sherman in the 12s. Fort Worth will be in the 14s, and Dallas is going to be in the 15s. Saturday low maximum wind chills of 8 below 8 in Central Texas. Granham will be above -2. Bowie will be -1. Cisco will be 1. Comanche will be 4. Waco will be 16. Killing 9. Killing 9. Palestine 7. Greenville, Greenville 4, Paris 5, Sherman 3, Fort Worth 6, and Dallas 8. Threat for power outages. There will be threatening threat for power outages. So yeah, if there's a lot of ice accumulation and snow, trees can get knocked over and hit power lines, causing power outages in towns and cities. If there's moderate heavy icing will impact trees, power lines, and roads. Have emergencies kit ready. Cover into your faucet. Open cabinet under your sink and drip indoor faucets. Locate your water shutoff valve and know how to turn it off. Check on neighborhoods and family and the elderly. Prepare for winter. You should be knowing this already, but if you don't, this is your last day for preparing because tomorrow is going to be a little worse than this. So you can take a picture of this. Keep enough non-perishable food, water, and medication for at least 3 days. Bring pets indoor and provide adequate room and fresh water. Ensure you have warm clothing and blankets, and make sure you have a update your first aid kit. Charge your phone in advance and check for wireless emergency alerts. Your home. Install and test heaters, smoke, carbon monoxide detectors. Keep warm by closing doors and sealing doors and windows. Ensure safe use of portable heaters and or generators. You can gather flashlight, batteries, candles, and extra blankets. Your vehicle. Ensure you have a full gas tank, a stock and emergency supplies, first aid kit, cell phone charger, jumper cables, blankets, hats, and gloves, boots, water, snacks, and ice scraper brush. Warning, winter storm warning. Yeah, there's an effect. You can take a picture of this. Okay. So in DFW, it's raining right now. Raining. So today's outlook was a marginal risk. I think. No, marginal is this. Well, there's gonna be thunderstorms and snowfall through here. No tornado there, I think. This is for tomorrow's outlook. No tornado risk. Ooh, there may be a tornado risk here. Let's see. Oh, probabilistic, bruh. So yeah, this is the outlooks for today, tomorrow, and 2 days. There's a mesoscale discussion. I think this is a mesoscale discussion for winter weather. Yeah. Increasing plump of mixed precipitation into early evening, mainly sleet with freezing rain and shifting south. Also, this is probably right now. Right now. Will be sleet, rain, freezing rain, and then snow at the end. The storm. But then something will develop and create snow. You just gotta wait. Yes, there will be snow. So yeah, it's too early to tell, I think. But yeah. So if you're over here, you're about to get impacted right now. You're getting impacted right now. And where it's now getting impacted is right here. And probably right here as it's snowing. So all here. Wait, let me fix it. As this moves this way, the storm will grow in size. So it may be like this. It will be growing in size. Its size right now. Let's see in DFW. So this is the part of the storm. Okay, and so this is the storm size. No, I'll reply. I'll reply in a minute. But yeah, this is all the impact zones right now. Like the actual impact zones are Fort Worth and parts of Tacoma because it's already snowing here. If you wanna, it's already been snowing. So when the storm moves, it will move through here. Oh, so through here. So here and probably up again, up a bit up, and impacting all these areas, all those areas. So the impact zones are all of this, and probably parts of New Mexico too, because there is gonna be snow over there. What's snowing right now is here and here. Yeah, it's right here, bits of here, and in Oklahoma. Here too. So there's like 50 warnings of winter storm. Oh shoot. Oh, I think I broke it. But yeah. So this is all the impact zones right now for now. So yeah. I think a new Mexico discussion has been issued, I think. Oh no. It's because I see these lines. But no. So it's raining in DFW right now. And yeah, it's all showers. Going through here. Here. So DFW, it's raining right now. And this rain probably expands over here too. But then as it storms like this, it starts snowing over here. It starts snowing over here. Oh shoot. So it is snowing. Oh, so, guys. Uh, guys. This is near radar between. Where is serious getting seriously caught? Radar just updated, and I'm gonna take a picture of this. This is crazy. It's hailing, and it looks like it's raining worse than ever. Okay, what? Person in Petersburg is getting cucked. Imagine there's houses here. Who lives here is getting seriously cucked. If they're getting seriously cucked. Very seriously getting cucked. Just near Lubbock. It's been staying there. They're getting so cucked right now. They're getting cucked. Wait, it doesn't let me. Bro, there should be a warning there. So if you're throwing some of these, but they're getting so cucked. Where was it at? I love it. Let's see if it shows in this radar. It is not showing that radar. So this radar is probably broken right now. It is probably broken right here. Near Lubbock near Lubbock. There should be a freaking Soviet. There should be a freaking. It's not hitting nowhere, so just a box, I guess. A box will help. But whoa, that is crazy. And I think this road is currently broken. A bit broken. Yeah, I don't know. Because in this road it was kind of close, but it does not show. But that is crazy. That is crazy, guys. I'm just gonna take another photo. That is kind of crazy. That's kind of crazy. But yeah. Wait, does it show the National Wizards Radar? No way. No, it does not show. Where's Lubbock? Oh, it's in one. Oh, I think I see. I think I see it. I think I see it. I think I see it. Oh yeah, it's right there. Lubbock. It is kind of moving, but that is so weird. That is so weird. Let's get a closer view here. Like, seems like I can't, but it's right there. It's right there. That is crazy. Showing in the National Weather Service right here too. Between it is millimeters, so I'm going to say they're getting cooked so badly. Yeah, Lubbock is up there. Yeah, that's crazy. That is crazy. But yeah, let me see what mic is on. Yeah, it is on. I think you can hear me. But yeah, it's crazy that's popping up on radar. So yeah, but there's gonna be a lot of snow, probably to 1 to 3 inches of snow. Right now it's snowing. No, it's not snowing in DFW. It's not snowing in DFW. It is raining. It is raining currently. As this storm moves, there's gonna be sleet. And then go to says here. Freezing wind and sleet, and then it's gonna move on. It's gonna keep moving, and it's sleet, just sleet, and then snow at the end. So yeah, this is the forecast for today. I'm gonna be editing. It'll probably come out at 6 something. Yeah, but that's weird that pops up. That's weird. Okay, I'm back on it. Let's see if it was a glitch. That's not it. Not so that. I think it's moving a little bit. Oh, imagine it hits Lubbock. It's gonna be crazy. Does it? Is it any little bit? No, I don't think it's been stalled. Yeah, it's been stalled. Why this storm moves? It's been stalled. It's been there the whole time. Doesn't say nothing about that. But yeah, near Lubbock's probably getting so cooked right now that they're even cooking themselves. Yeah, that's weird. You can't even not see it because of radar. But yeah, I'll be seeing you tomorrow. So yeah, I hope you're safe. Do not drive. I think I'm being getting worse. Oh yeah, or it doesn't show houses, right? It does not show houses. Oh, oh no! I use the house. They're currently getting so cooked. Imagine there was black pixels. Wait, is there velocity? No way. It's even a ball. It's a freaking ball. Oh, that is crazy. I'm gonna take a picture of that too. Draw. That is. Oh shoot. That's crazy. Alright, so this. I'm gonna end it here. And I hope you're all safe as this storm starts to move to Oklahoma, Kansas, Arkansas. If I can remember you. Missouri, yes, Missouri. It starts with an O. I don't know why. And it's super laggy. Ooh, it's been raining here. There's a flood warning. No, it's not raining. Alright, so oh my god, it's so laggy right now. But if you're in Kentucky, Tennessee, yeah, between 17 or 16 states has a state of emergency, including Texas. We're all doomed, okay? So yeah, Ohio, Pennsylvania, New York is under winter storm warning. So we're all doomed. We're in Texas. We're all doomed. We are cooked. We're dead. Okay, so get ready for the storm. Prepare now. I'll see you in the next vid, probably tomorrow if my power is still on.